Fundraising can often feel like this.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Or it feels like some people are just born naturally great at fundraising. But here's the truth. Fundraising is just a skill. And it's a skill you can learn, and it's a skill you can master. That's what the 7-Figure Fundraising Workshop is all about. We're here to help nonprofit leaders like yourself grow their existing donors, find new ones, and grow their nonprofit so they can expand their mission and their impact in the world. Our next live online workshop starts on February 16th, and it's one afternoon a week for 3 weeks. On day one, we go into the mindset, how major donors think differently about philanthropy, and how you can partner with them to grow your nonprofit. On day two, it's all about the pitch. We go into how do you create a compelling pitch for your nonprofit that talks about the amazing work that you're doing in a really compelling way. We also go into the psychology of giving and talk about how do you position yourself as a partner with these major donors. Day three is all about the system, a step-by-step guide for how do you grow your fundraising with your existing donors, and then how do you find new donors. This workshop is taught by my brother Taryn Bragdon and myself. Taryn is the CEO of the Foundation for Government Accountability, a nonprofit he started in 2011 with just $50,000 in seed money and has now grown to over $13 million in annual donations. And my background's in behavioral science, which is the study of how people make decisions and take action. And over the last 3 years, we've helped over 250 nonprofit leaders grow their fundraising with the 7-Figure Fundraising Workshop, and we'd love to help you. The best part about this workshop is it's live and online. You can watch this comfortably and safely from your home or your office. And you get the experience of a live event where you can interact with us, ask questions about your specific situation, but also go back and review the material because it's all recorded. And we bring the workshop experience to you. We'll mail you a workbook and other course materials so you can follow along really easily from your home or your office. And we make this workshop risk-free for you with our 100% 100-day money-back guarantee. You can attend the workshop, do all the follow-up training, be on the group coaching calls, and still have 3 months to try this system in your nonprofit. And if it doesn't work, just ask for your money back. It's that simple. Grab your spot today and make this year your best fundraising year ever.